Welcome to the 365 channel English conversation video series. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Can I see the menu?
Here you go.
Did you lock the door?
I double-checked.
Where's the nearest ATM?
Across the street.
Do you like this color?
It's beautiful.
Want to take a break?
That sounds good.
Do you need a receipt?
No, thank you.
Is it your first time?
Yes, I'm excited.
Are the tickets sold out?
Not yet.
Do you like your job?
Most days, yes.
Is the soup too hot?
It's just right.
Want to grab coffee?
Let's go now.
Did you call your mom?
I will later.
Can I turn it up?
A little bit.
Did you clean your room?
I'm still working on it.
Do you like hiking?
It clears my mind.
Are you almost done?
Just finishing up.
Want to try this shirt?
Looks too big.
Are we still meeting?
Same time.
Do you carry snacks?
Always in my bag.
Did you see my keys?
Check your jacket.
Can we watch something?
Sure, your pick.
Is it a good time?
I'm free now.
Want to play cards?
Deal me in.
Is the line long?
Not too bad.
Are you taking notes?
Every word.
Want to ride bikes?
Sounds fun.
Do you like winter?
I love snow.
Are the eggs fresh?
Just bought them.
Do you like that song?
It's catchy.
Can I help with that?
Yes, please.
Where's your umbrella?
I forgot it.
Want to go dancing?
Maybe later.
Is the chair comfy?
Surprisingly, yes.
Can I try this on?
The fitting room's there.
Do you walk daily?
Every morning.
Are your shoes new?
Got them yesterday.
Is the train late?
Just a bit.
Want to build a snowman?
I'm in.
Can I borrow your charger?
It's on the desk.
Are we eating out?
Let's decide later.
Do you eat spicy food?
Not too much.
Is it your birthday?
Not yet.
Want to join our group?
Thanks, I will.
Are you driving today?
I took the bus.
Do you write poems?
Only for fun.
Can we sit outside?
If it's not raining.
Want some dessert?
Yes, please.
Do you have change?
Only coins.
Is your laptop working?
It's a bit slow.
Are you reading that?
I just started.
Can you call him?
I'll do it now.
Do you like puzzles?
They relax me.
Are you on break?
5 more minutes.
Can I pet your dog?
She loves people.
Want to bake cookies?
Let's do it.
Is the heater on?
I'll check it.
Do you draw often?
In my free time.
Are we going soon?
Just a moment.
Want to go swimming?
The pool's closed.
Do you like grapes?
Especially frozen ones.
Did you call a cab?
It's on the way.
Can I try again?
One more time.
Is it a long trip?
About an hour.
Want to pack snacks?
I'll get fruit.
Is the road closed?
There's a detour.
Do you knit scarves?
Just learned how.
Are your hands cold?
Like ice.
Can I join you later?
I'll save a seat.
Is it your handwriting?
A little messy.
Do you like raincoats?
They're useful.
Want to share fries?
Yes, let's split.
Can you stay longer?
I wish I could.
Are you new here?
Just moved in.
Do you hear music?
It's faint.
Is your tea hot?
Still steaming.
Do you miss home?
Sometimes yes.
Can I eat this cookie?
Go ahead.
Is this seat taken?
It's free.
Are we almost done?
Last step.
Want to chat later?
Sure, message me.